I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Colorado headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open the hood of your Chevy Colorado. You will see two retaining bolts on the top of the headlight assembly. These are the first things we need to address. With the hood open, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove those two bolts you just located. Once the bolts are out, gently but firmly pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a steady pull is key. Be careful not to force it. After it's free, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. Now that the headlight assembly is out, you can access the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. When inserting the new bulb, be sure not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the new bulb, push it in firmly, and then twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the assembly back into its mounting clips until it's flush with the vehicle's body. Reinsert and tighten the two 10mm retaining bolts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your headlights to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other useful accessories for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.